So friends, my previous video was all about the digital marketing and the 4 P's of the marketing. In this video we will discuss about the fundamental strategies in the digital marketing. The fundamental strategies that can be undertaken by a marketer regards to the ambit of digital marketing are identified as follows. So first is search engine optimization. In short, it is also known as SEO. The search engine optimization is one of the most effective digital marketing initiatives today. SEO is the process of improving your website so that it ranks highly in search engine results for keywords and phrases related to your business. The more keywords you rank for and the higher you rank, the more people will see and become familiar with your website and business. SEOs aim to direct more traffic to your website from members of your target audience. These are consumers who are actively searching for the products and services you offer, as well as users searching for more top of the funnel content. For example, suppose you own a university and you want to increase the SEO for your industry, so you will add number of different keywords to increase your SEO. The second strategy is the SEM activities. In terms of SEM, search engine marketing activities, different types of activities can be organized that may range from displaying advertisements associated to graphic display, generation of video ads on social media platforms like YouTube, search ads that are essentially text based in nature, and also app designed for the mobile platform. The activities associated regarding SEM identified above are some of the paid advertising methods that are conducted to generate greater number of search engine results page or SERPs. In terms of paid ads, the use of social media platforms like Facebook can also be extensively carried out, in that the same help the business institution in posting considerable number of paid ads. However, the selection and use of SEM activity needs to be carried out based on evaluating the business framework for which it is undertaken, and also the consumer categories that are targeted by the firms. Pay-per-click advertising. Another powerful and cost-effective online marketing strategy is pay-per-click. In short, it is also known as PPC advertising. PPC is a paid form of advertising that relies on an auction-based system. With PPC, you bid on keywords that you want your ads to show up for. Your ad triggers when the user's search include your keywords. These ads then appear at the top of search results above organic listing. If a user decides to click on your advertisement, then you pay for that click. In other words, you don't pay for ad space, only for the results. The fourth is content marketing. Contents that tend to add value to effective audiences and also such that can help in marketing a business either in a direct or indirect fashion is ideally identified as content marketing. Content marketing activities are constituted either in a longer formats like writing of blogs, articles, and also electronic books, while in shorter format it can encompasses updates made on social media platforms like Twitter and Facebook. Again, conversation sharing is also identified as a form of content marketing activity that are used for sharing of content via social media platforms like Twitter, or also posting of informational content on different online forums. Regarding to content marketing, the contents rendered to are needed to be unique, relevant, and also are needed to bear needed consistency to help in adding value to the users and also in promoting the brand image to a larger set of audiences. Fifth is email marketing. Email marketing is one of the most cost-effective online marketing strategies available. Email marketing focuses on retaining existing customers as well as gaining new ones. It's an excellent technique for building brand awareness, keeping your company top of mind, and encouraging repeat purchases. A core part of email marketing is developing and refining your campaign as well as growing your audiences. Like content marketing, email marketing also focuses on providing users with valuable information, otherwise people would not stay subscribed. The idea is that while these users may not need your services or products now, they will remember your brand when it's time to make a purchase. That brand awareness encourages them to choose your company when they are ready to buy. And the last but not the least is the social media marketing. Another internet marketing strategy for growing business is social media marketing. Social media marketing focuses on building brand awareness and increasing conversions. A social media marketing campaign can feature one or several social media platforms depending on your target audience and their platform preferences. A few of the most popular platforms for this internet marketing strategy include Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, and the LinkedIn. In addition to marketing our company on social media, this strategy often focuses on advertising too. The core goal of social media marketing is to increase brand awareness and the conversions as well as build and maintain your company's reputation. That is why social media marketing focuses on creating informational or promotional content plus interacting with users on the various platforms. So thank you for watching.